Good day everyone, welcome back to another mobile photography fun shot. Today's feature is this young man wearing a traditional Ifugao cultural attire. This was just a fun and simple shoot, nothing too serious. All photos were taken using my mobile phone with my action camera used only for documentation. I'm not a professional photographer, just a casual mobile photography enthusiast who enjoys capturing moments and appreciating culture through simple shots.
Sige. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Binidyoan nyo isuda.
Ay, so? Ano ka? Just number 1.
Uwin.
In-post ko ka.
Sir, may sapay. Beat lang sir ah.
Next post man, next post. Grabe. Nakasaba. Nakagawin, mamingsan lang ang makita. Medyo lang ang meron pa.
May sapay man.
Mabalik kayo, Joey, sir?
Ay, win, kasay.